Portability is one of the biggest strengths of my typewriter. I really wanted a typewriter that I could bring places, but not to sacrifice quality for that portability. The exterior is made from hard plastic, providing a sturdy but very lightweight feel. The case is also made from hard plastic, so it protects it when it's on my desk and lets me carry it around comfortably with the handle. It also has this really nice locking mechanism I just wanted to show you because it looks really nice and it holds it in place just perfectly when I'm carrying it around. It's 10 pounds with the case and 8.5 pounds without, so it's a little heavy to lug around for long, but it works really well for me.